Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing the future isn't coming. It's already here. While the rest of the world debates what AI might become, China is out there building it, testing it, and living in it. From children learning artificial intelligence before multiplication, to self-driving cities, dancing supercars, flying taxis, palm payment technology, and even quantum invisibility. China is no longer predicting the future. They're engineering it at full speed. Today, we're diving into 16 mind-blowing technologies that prove China is operating on a completely different level. Innovations so advanced, they feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. But they're not fiction, they're happening right now. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will change the way you look at technology, the future, and the world around you. China is developing futuristic minds in addition to cutting-edge technologies. China is training its children to become AI experts, while others are teaching them fundamental math. Beginning this year, all 6-year-olds in Beijing must attend AI classes for at least 8 hours per school year. This implies that before they even learn multiplication, millions of pupils are learning how to use AI. China has chosen 184 institutions to test even more sophisticated AI initiatives. These kids will be using technology that doesn't even exist today when they grow up. When pizza was delivered, you had to wait 30 to 45 minutes in the hopes that it would still be warm. China said, "Not anymore." They have developed a whole network of delivery drones that are precise to the minute and can deliver your meal in as little as 15 minutes. More than 300,000 drone deliveries have already been made by Muan. Delivering meals to every resident in a medium-sized city is analogous to that. There is no need to wait for a delivery person because the drones fly on predetermined routes and drop things into designated boxes. However, in the countryside, it becomes much more unexpected. Are you familiar with BYD's Yangwang U8? It is capable of doing a tank turn, which is a full rotation in one spot similar to a spinning top. The vehicle may rotate without going forward or backward because each of its 4 separate motors can spin in the opposite direction. By rotating all 4 wheels in the same direction, it can even maneuver sideways into confined parking spaces. By just spinning its wheels, the Yangwang U8 SUV can even drive through water that is over 5 feet deep, float like a boat, and go across the sea at a few kilometers per hour. Imagine if during a flood, you drive directly into the water and float to safety, rather than being stranded. For up to 30 minutes, it can remain afloat. Furthermore, this is not only an idea, it is currently for sale. Nearly 15 million new automobiles in China will be outfitted with self-driving robot intelligence this year alone. This indicates that almost 2 out of every 3 new cars can run without a driver touching the steering wheel. However, let's discuss the GUA-01, the first automobile with a real artificial intelligence brain. This is not your typical self-driving technology. It is a car that has the ability to think and speak with you. Simo is an AI buddy that comes with the GUA-01 that you may converse with like a true friend. Even if you are up to 2 kilometers away, your automobile will come to you if you stand outside and say, "Simo, come pick me up." This is what makes it so amazing. The GU-01 has more sensor technology than many military drones because to its dual NVIDIA orange processors, which provide enormous AI computational power, high-definition cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and sophisticated radar systems. It is capable of autonomous parking, lane changes, obstacle avoidance, traffic light recognition, and even intricate unprotected left turns in congested urban areas. The BYD Zeed 9GT's ability to parallel park by power, sliding into really small spaces, is even more amazing. The automobile can slip sideways into seemingly impossible areas by using its electric motors to spin the rear wheels in opposing directions, while the front wheels serve as the pivot. If you think that's remarkable, you won't believe what BYD came up with next. In just a few seconds, their U9 Extreme supercar can accelerate from 0 to highway speed, surpassing the definition of super speed. Not only is it the fastest automobile ever made in China, but it is also the fastest production vehicle in the world, having just broken world speed records at around 500 kilometers per hour. Here's the really astounding bit though. It is true that the BYD Yangwang U9 can dance. This luxury supercar has a unique dynamic suspension system that allows it to bounce over obstacles, rise off the ground, and even move in time with music. You may actually witness a strong supercar moving to the music in a dance-like manner. The fact that this isn't only a show feature is much more absurd. While the car is going, the technology can raise each wheel separately in a split second. It happens more quickly than the human eye can blink. It outperforms luxury brands like Lamborghini, Ferrari, and even multi-million-dollar hypercars thanks to its technology, making it more sophisticated than any production automobile ever created. For other manufacturers, this is really concerning. As of right now, BYD is the world's first car maker to sell 10 million new energy vehicles. The fact that they are selling this dancing supercar for almost half the cost of a standard Ferrari is even more astounding. In China, flying is like stepping into the future. You don't even need a ticket or identification because there are 557 face recognition security lines at 62 airports. Simply approach and the technology will instantly identify your face. You may check in, drop off your bags, get through security, and even board your aircraft at Shanghai Hongqiao Airport without having to speak to anyone. It just takes 12 seconds for each passenger. There are more than 600 biometric checks, 250 automated gates, and 80 face recognition self-service stations at Beijing's main airport. The cameras take care of everything. You simply pass through. It goes beyond airports as well. There are more than 200 million security cameras in China, 4 times as many as there are in the United States. They refer to it as Skynet. In addition to tracking individuals in real time, this AI-powered system can spot jaywalkers, determine whether someone is not wearing a mask, and even anticipate potential crimes before they occur. Police even employ AI-powered smart helmets that can quickly identify wanted offenders by scanning crowds. China has unveiled the first unmanned aerial train, a groundbreaking invention. Although it doesn't fly like an airplane, its futuristic design gives it a sci-fi appearance. Known as the Sky Train, it travels on a 10.5-kilometer elevated monorail. It can accommodate up to 200 passengers at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, much like a regular train, but far faster than traffic. The fact that the complete monorail system was constructed in just 7 months is very amazing. Although this variant offers greater capacity, fewer accidents, and comparable prices, it takes roughly the same amount of time to create traditional train lines. In essence, a clever improvement for the same work. It provides a quicker, more effective travel and avoids city traffic because it runs above street level. Additionally, because the system occupies less land, there is more area for roads, parks, and other urban development. Beyond merely being a great concept, this airborne train has the potential to completely transform urban transportation by improving safety, efficiency, and space use. It might be the way of the future for city mobility. The region south of Beijing was nothing more than marshland and deserted farms 8 years ago. There were very few people, no skyscrapers, and no roads. In 2025, that has entirely altered. The metropolis is teeming with trains, tunnels, and skyscrapers as the first wave of state-owned businesses and government buildings have come in. The central government of China actively planned the 6 million-person Xiong'an New Area, which is situated around 100 kilometers southwest of Beijing. A smart city system that tracks traffic, power, air quality, and other factors in real time is connected to every building. Movement is smooth because to electric buses, high-speed trains, and subterranean tunnels. More than 70% of the city is green, and the majority of it is powered by renewable energy. Xiong'an is more than simply a city. It is a test of how urban life will develop in the future, demonstrating how technology, sustainability, and thoughtful design can produce a self-optimizing, carbon-conscious metropolis. Unitree's G1 humanoid robot represents a significant leap in robotics innovation. Designed to mimic human movements with remarkable precision, the G1 can walk, run, and maintain balance on uneven surfaces. Its advanced sensors and AI-driven control system allow it to interact with its environment, navigate obstacles, and perform tasks autonomously. Lightweight yet robust, the G1 is suitable for research, education, and industrial applications, demonstrating the potential for humanoid robots to assist humans in complex real-world scenarios, while showcasing China's growing expertise in cutting-edge robotics technology. The rest of the world is finding it difficult to keep up with China's rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. We use our phones or scan cards to make payments online, correct? China, meanwhile, has already gone one step farther. You don't need a card or even a phone to make payments there. Sounds unattainable? They are using their palms for this. It is genuine, even though it sounds like magic. In China, millions of individuals already pay for goods just by raising their hands. Your palm's veins and lines are scanned by WeChat Palm Pay. It's quicker than taking out your wallet and more safe than fingerprints. With a mistake rate of fewer than 1 in a million, it is already being used in over 1,000 establishments. In the future, consumers may not need cash, credit cards, or even phones to make purchases. Students use it at colleges, while tourists use it on trains. This is where it becomes even more bizarre, though. The concept of a quantum invisibility cloak involves bending or manipulating light or other waves around an object, making it effectively invisible or undetectable to observers. In China, researchers have reportedly made advances in metamaterials, quantum optics, and wave manipulating technologies, which could one day lead to practical cloaking effects for small objects or under specialized conditions. If successfully developed and scaled, such a technology could have enormous implications, ranging from stealth applications and privacy protection to transforming surveillance and detection systems. Wireless phone chargers are rapidly growing in popularity in China, especially in tech-focused cities like Shenzhen. These chargers allow users to power their phones by simply placing them on a charging surface, eliminating cables. Using electromagnetic induction technology, they provide a fast, safe, and convenient way to recharge devices. Public spaces, offices, and cafes increasingly feature these chargers, making it easier to keep phones powered throughout the day. As technology advances, charging speed and efficiency improve, offering a seamless experience. This innovation highlights China's commitment to integrating convenience and cutting-edge technology into everyday life, enhancing connectivity for millions. Additionally, they produced robot dogs known as the Goto. These are not adorable robot pets. These are serious working canines that can run at a speed of meters per second while weighing just kilograms. But this is what makes them so amazing. They can perform cartwheels, backflips, front flips, upside-down walking, and even adaptive rollovers while scaling obstacles. Thanks to GPT technology, these robot dogs can shake hands, stretch, dance, and even snap pictures in addition to understanding spoken directions. The most amazing feature is that they have DLR, which has nearly no blind spots and can detect objects as close as M away. The Chinese firm Ahang created the Ahang 216S, a significant advancement in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs for passenger transportation. This cutting-edge drone taxi offers a fresh approach to the problems associated with urban mobility. The Ahang 216S, which can accommodate 2 people and features 8 pairs of electric rotors, is designed for short to medium distance flights. It is perfect for urban use because of its eco-friendly and quiet operation. This airborne taxi's complete autonomy, the flight control system handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without the need for human intervention, is what makes it unique. The Ahang 216S also has cutting-edge safety systems that guarantee it can safely finish flights and execute emergency landings even in the event that a rotor malfunctions. It is intended for quick, effective transit within cities and their environs, with a maximum speed of kilometers per hour and an operational ceiling of meters. Combining cutting-edge technology, safety, and environmental advantages, the Ahang 216S offers a preview of the future of aerial commuting and is a major step toward the future of urban mobility.